Did you know that breast cancer is the second most common cancer in women worldwide? In 2020 alone, 2.3 million new cases were diagnosed, and it's estimated that 1 in 8 women will develop breast cancer in their lifetime. Breast cancer is a significant health concern for women around the globe. Despite advances in medical technology and treatments, it remains a leading cause of death among women. By leveraging the power of TinyML, we can make strides in reducing the burden of breast cancer and improving the quality of life for millions of women worldwide. So let's dive in and explore the potential benefits of this exciting new technology. COVID-19 has caused a 94% decrease in mammograms, putting women's breast health at risk. False positives, negatives, and accessibility issues also pose challenges to breast cancer detection. Improvements in screening technology are needed. Don't delay your screening, prioritize breast health. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates to detect breast cancer using TinyML and AI sensor fused techniques and machine learning algorithms. TinyML technology can revolutionize breast cancer detection and treatment outcomes by improving the accuracy and speed of detection. TinyML platform cAInvas can detect breast cancer using TinyML and AI sensor IoT devices fused techniques. At the same time, cAInvas offers a user-friendly interface for developing and deploying machine learning models on small devices. TinyML platforms like cAInvas can potentially transform how breast cancer is detected and treated. TinyML and AI sensor-fused techniques can transform breast cancer detection and treatment by providing early detection, personalized treatment plans, improved accuracy, and remote monitoring. To learn more about TinyML and cAInvas, visit canvas.aitech.systems for more information, take online courses or tutorials, and connect with other developers through online communities and forums. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.